Hello, today I will show you an overview of the new Golden West webmail settings, mail settings, and mail filter. First, log into your Golden West webmail and select Settings in the upper right-hand corner. Under the Settings, click Mail Settings. The Mail Setting tab allows you to view common configuration options when setting up external clients outside of webmail. This information will include IMAP settings, SMTP settings, and other information. The Apple Mobile Config location is a special file that can be used with iOS to automatically configure mail accounts into the native iOS Mail app. To use it, browse to the URL specified under Apple Mobile Config location on your Apple device and set your account up when iOS prompts you to. Mail filter. The Mail Filter tab will take you directly into your spam dashboard. This will open a new tab, but may get blocked by some browsers. Double check that your browser is not blocking pop-ups if you are having issues opening this filter. If the pop-up tab happens to get blocked, clicking the link marked "Please click here" will open your spam filter. For more information on this and other topics, please visit goldenwest.com/webmail.